Hi guys, let's have a look into makeup trends for 2018. When searching for the makeup trends, I have noticed that there are some articles which are bringing the ideas from the catwalks directly into our regular lives, and they are trying to tell you use crystals on your face every single day. Well, no, because catwalk is a work of art, and that is why I am bringing you the most normal trends for makeup for 2018. So here are the trends. Let's start. Trend number one is weightless foundation. We are finally bringing our skin to breathe, and we are taking off all the layers and layers and layers and layers, because all these years we have been layering that foundation on our skin for too much. So this year is all about uncovering our beautiful skin, letting it breathe, and making sure it looks healthy and beautiful. To achieve this look, you should opt for weightless foundation, BB, CC creams, tinted moisturizers. There is no need to go for cakey face. So it's all about that fresh, glowy skin. This leads us to the trend number only two, Dewy Skin. And dewy skin is an extension of this natural, healthy looking skin. It is possible to create this dewy looking skin with a highlighter, but in this case, I would suggest avoiding highlighters with big, shimmering, glittering details, because this look is all about that glossy, glowy skin rather than glitters dancing on your face. Perfecto. The next trend. I am so glad to talk about this because the next trend is about our classic bullet lipstick. So finally, after the years of liquid lipstick domination, we are calling back bullet lipstick. Please come back. You might ask why? Because it is classic. It has this beautiful satin finish, and since we have missed the bullet lipstick so much, we are going to use it on our cheeks, and in some cases you might try on your eyelids. So there is a practical reason why I myself am using my lipstick on my cheeks, because, well, first of all, I have to own less products, less money spent, less products, less time. And another reason which is great, because it is such an easy way to balance all the colors of your makeup on your face, because I don't have to pay attention if my red lipstick color is warm and if it's matching with the color of my blush. No worries about that. I just put my lipstick, dab dab dab, and then I bring it on my cheek, dab dab dab. That's it, looking perfect, looking balanced, looking on point, and I'm happy and I'm fresh. Wow. And of course, this leads us to the trend which I miss so much, and we are talking about blush. It looks like we are finally pushing away all the contouring palettes, and we are saying yes to the blush. Give me that blush. Because when your skin is happy, it is smiling, and it's smiling with the red cheeks. And don't forget the trick that you can use the lipstick on your cheeks. Just in case if you are thinking that all these trends are a little bit too pale for you, you can always add a lipstick or eyeliner to your look. And the next trends are all about that. So the trend number 5 is all about bold neon lip color. I'm not suggesting using green yellowish colors on your lips. Just try it a pink or peachy orange for that beautiful, fresh spring or summer look. Trend number 6 is all about that dramatic eyeliner. So dark, heavy, sharp lines of eyeliner, it's not a bad idea for a night out. My suggestion would be always pay attention to your facial features. So if you have stronger facial features such as broad nose, big cheekbones, high forehead, you can go for a stronger look and be a little bit more dramatic with your eyeliner. However, if you are on the softer side, then opt for a softer look. Maybe smudgy smoke eye look. That are all the trends that you should know for 2018. To sum up, it is all about that fresh, natural, healthy look with a little bit of something extra. My advice, invest less in makeup products by owning less makeup products and invest more in taking care of yourself, taking care of your diet and your skincare routine. In case you are tired of seeing all these drag queens on the streets rather than in the theater, please spread the word and share this video with your friends. So thank you so much for watching and see you very, very soon. Goodbye.